Hi, this is the HAFURY GT20 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the settings, then tap the sound section. Here you'll see media coloring and alarm volume panels. To change the volumes, we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side. These dots on each of the volume panels. So here we got the vibration focals option. We could turn it on or turn it off with the help of the switcher. To activate and turn off the dog start mode, we should just tap the turn on or turn off button. Also, we could switch here to set the shadow, default duration, to use restrict notifications, and to allow calls, messages, or notifications from anyone from any options, any just applications or people. We could also turn on or turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing, to activate, to change phone ringtone, and in advanced settings we could switch notification and alarm sounds, and to activate and turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, sounds and vibration, screenshot touch sounds, touch vibration sounds, just by click on each of the switchers. And in sound attachment we could use volume booster for speaker. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.